Hi, I'm Isaac from Isaac's Music Lessons, and in this video we're going to be learning At Your Name by Phill, Wickham and Tim Hughes. We're going to be playing it in the key of G. The original is in A, but we're going to sing it a little bit lower in G. So if you want to play along with the recording after this, you can put your capo on the 2nd fret and play these G chords, and that will be in the right key. So if you don't know the chords in the key of G, check out my video here with the chords in the key of G. But otherwise, we are going to go ahead. We're going to be using the chords G, C, D, E minor, and A minor. So those are all the chords. So if you need to go ahead and learn them, then go do that. But otherwise, let's get into it. First up, we have the intro. So the intro is probably the most complex part of the song. We've got 3 beats of G, and then 1 beat of A minor, and then 3 beats of E minor, and 1 beat of C. So in time, that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, A minor, E minor, C, G. So that is the intro, and then we come to the verse. So the verse is a bit more simple. So we start on the G, got the G for 2 bars, and then C for 2 bars, and then same again, G for 2 bars, and C for 2 bars, and then 1 bar of D, 1 bar of E minor, 1 bar of C, 1 bar of D. So I'll go ahead and play the verse in time, and then I'll sing along after that. So first up, we've got G. 1, 2, 3, 4. G for 2 bars. 4. 1, 2, 3. Going to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Going back to G for 2 bars. 1. C for 2 bars, 2, 3, 4, 1. We're going to D for 1 bar, and then E minor, and then C, and D for 1 bar. And then we come to the chorus. So I'll go ahead and sing the verse. So we got G is the first chord. 1, 2, 3. At your name, the mountains shake and crumble. At your name, the oceans roar and tumble. Going to the D. At your name, angels will bow, the earth will rejoice, your people cry out. And then we come to the chorus. So the chorus, we got 2 bars of G, 2 bars of E minor, 1 bar of D, 1 bar of C, and 2 bars of G. So let's go to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, G. Lord of all the earth, shout your name. Going to E minor. Filling up the skies in this praise. D. Yahweh, Yahweh, C. We love to shout your name. And G. That's the chorus. One more time. Lord of all the earth, shout your name, filling up the skies with endless praise. after the chorus, we're going to go into the intro. So, going from the D, Yahweh, Yahweh, C, we love to shout you, into the intro, G, A minor, E minor, C, G, A minor, it's your name, verse 2, the morning breaks in glory, it's your name, creation sings your story, it's your name, angels will bow, the earth will rejoice, your people cry out, Lord of all the earth, shout your name, into another chorus, and then we come to the bridge. So for the bridge chords, we have 1 bar of D, half a bar of E minor, half a bar of C, 1 bar of D, half a bar of G, half a bar of C. And that repeats until the end when we have 1 bar of D and then we've got 2 bars of C to finish out the bridge. So let's go ahead and play that. 1, 2, 3, D, E minor, C, D, G, C. Let's sing it. There is no one like our God. We will praise you, praise you. There's no one like our God. We will sing, there is no one like our God. We will praise you, there's no one like our God. Hold the C, hold the C, and chorus. Lord of all the earth, shout your name, shout your name. That is all the chords you need to play At Your Name by Phill and Tim. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what you want me to write a lesson for next. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.